Linda here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Linda Izimedulu and I make videos about makeup, fitness, lifestyle, like vlogs, whatever it is, I'm actually going through at a particular point in time. I share it on my YouTube channel. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I go about achieving this makeup look which I have on. It's basically all about the eyes and the lips. So if you want to see how I go about achieving this makeup look, then do also keep on watching this video and let's get right into the video. In creating this eyeshadow look which I have on these eyes, I used the ENL Beauty the Divine eyeshadow palette in actually achieving this eye look. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys how I went about achieving this eye makeup look which I have on. So let's get right into the tutorial. So using the ENL Beauty eyeshadow brush, it's a 2-in-1 brush. You have the eyeshadow, like the blending brush, and the flat shader brush. So I'm just going to be dipping it into this wine shade, like a burgundy, rich burgundy shade named Shayo. I'm going to be blending Shayo all around my crease area. And the beauty of this eyeshadow is actually that you don't actually need to even use an eyeshadow primer to use this eyeshadow palette, because the colors are so pigmented. You can see, like, with just a very little, you can see the color really shows up true to its very essence. Like the way it looks in the palette, that's how it's actually like showing up on my crease area. I'm gonna go in with the shade Onyeka, and it's a very rich brown color. I'm just gonna go back with that same blending brush, and I'm gonna be blending Onyeka just to kind of like, you know, pop my crease area and just actually just define the shape of my eyes, like so, blending forward and backward just to really cut that crease area really well, and also get it into like the inner corners of my eyes, like so, and to also like the outer corner a bit. For applying the lip color, I could choose to either use my fingertips or I could use the eyeshadow brush, but for this video, let's just I'm just lazy for this video. Let me just really use my fingertips and just take the shade. I'm using the shade Onye. I'm just taking Onye on my fingertips like so, and just dabbing out to the center of my eyelids. Yes. It's a really beautiful color. Like Onye is one of the most beautiful colors in this eyeshadow palette. And yeah, so for the inner corners of my eyes, I'm gonna be going in with Ngozi. Ngozi is this, it's like a loud, vibrant gold color. I'm gonna be using just the tip of this brush right here and just applying Ngozi to like my inner tear duct area, like so. So I'm just gonna kind of like extend that color a bit here, and also do the same for this eyes right here, just so that it's more, you know, dramatic and not like, you know, just a basic inner shade situation. I'm gonna go back in with those shades I use on my crease area and blend them on my bottom lash line area. And I'm gonna start with Shayo. Just gonna take Shayo on the blending brush and just blend underneath my eye. But if you feel like you don't want to make a mistake, I advise you just use the flat shader brush and just take it on and swipe cleanly. This is actually like the best part of the brush to use to avoid like any kind of mistakes whatsoever, especially for when you are still like a beginner with makeup. So you're trying to avoid fallout and any mistakes whatsoever. Yeah. So when I'm done blending Shayo there, I'm gonna go back in with Onyeka, and I'm gonna just kind of like use Onyeka to like line my eyes a bit and just sweep above Shayo. After we're done, we're just gonna quickly go back up and just blend things up just to ensure everything looks nice, clean, and seamless. I'm gonna be using the ENL Beauty Precision eyeliner pen tool. I'm just gonna quickly pop it open, the precision liner, and it's a very matte black eyeliner. So I'm just gonna start by applying product on the inner, like the bottom of my eyes, like so. And see how black it applies. I'm done with my eyeshadow look. I'm gonna be going in with my volumizing mascara just to wake my lashes up and add some volume to it, make it look fuller and, you know, really nice. Just look at how it looks right now. Yeah, so let's wake up our lashes with this. Guys, can you look at this? Like, can you see this? Look at this. Look at this. Like, and you tell me that this mascara doesn't work. Like, look at this. Get this. Like, you really need to get this mascara. Like, it's bomb. It's bomb. Like, the eyeshadow is pigmented. The mascara is just like, it's like my lashes are beginning to look like, you know. Don't I look like I'm wearing false lashes? Like, just look at this, guy. Like, look at this. Like, look at this. Okay, stem. Like this is so extra right now. Like, this is so extra. But then I have some little mascara stains under my bottom, at my under eye area. So what I always do to actually like take stains like that off is I go in with a wet wipe and I just dab. It works. If you ever have under eye mascara stains, get a wet wipe and just dab and take it off. Like, always works for me. Like, it works like magic for me. I think my eyes are already like, you know, making a lot of noise. Like, you know, it's really out there. So I'm just gonna go in with like a nude lips to, you know, soften everything up and make it look really nice and seamless and, you know, pretty clean. So let's get into like the lip area. Yes. So guys, for my lip liner, to line my lips, I'm going to be using the Eyeshadow Beauty lip liner in the shade Coffee. So it's a brown, it's a really it's a brown lip liner. Looks like it's a brown lip liner. Like so I'm going to be using it to line my lips. And then guys, like, this lip liner is very clean, creamy. Like, you don't need to be forcing it to apply. Like, once you just put it on, it comes out. Like, you don't have to force with this lip liner at all, like, whatsoever. So after I'm done lining my lips, I'm going to be going in with a Nude Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and it's also from your girl at Eyeshadow Beauty, and it's in the shade it's named Moyo. It's like a pinkish toned nude lip. I'm just going to be applying it on the center of my lips, like so. Then I spread it by the olden days method of like smacking your lips. I'm just gonna go back in with my finger and just, I learned this method from my girl Opus Zone 818 Beauty. Like, it really works like magic. Just use your fingertips and actually, like, you know, dab the lippy with the lip liner, and it just blends seamlessly, like so. Just watch me. So I could choose to top this up now with a clear gloss because I can. So hold on, let me get clear gloss and top it on my lips. Like, next I'm gonna be going in with this clear gloss, also from Eyeshadow Beauty. You can see how clean it looks. It's just a clear gloss. Yeah, I'm gonna be using it all over my lips. added in the gloss. Alright, so
I'm killing them shot because I swear God the fight.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this makeup tutorial and you would like to see more makeup tutorials on my channel showing you various looks you could actually achieve using the Divine eyeshadow palette, and also I forgot to add, okay, I'm actually like launching my makeup line like in a couple of days by God's grace on my website, and if you guys would like to support me, I'm going to be adding my website to the description box and also my WhatsApp number, so you can go over there and order like some of the makeup products like the eyeshadow palettes, the eyeshadow brush, the lip glosses. They're like 4 shades of lip glosses and 4 matte lippies, mascara, and an eyeliner. Like more products are gonna come as the days goes by. Another addition, I don't know why, but unfortunately this Christmas I'm spending my Christmas with in the hospital with my dad. My dad has been ill for about a week now and he's been on admission in the hospital. So unfortunately, I've never had a Christmas like this in my entire life. Like this Christmas, I'm actually going to be spending the most part of it in the hospital with my dad. Like I'm not sad, I'm just happy that at least he's out of like the danger zone. Like, you know, when people are actually like spending money on like, you know, chilling and relaxing, you're actually spending money to actually like ensure that somebody's health is like in at its optimal state. But anyways guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you're here too. I love you, and always remember that be bold and have courage, and your health, your peace of mind is still like the most important thing. I love you. Bye guys.